Hey, I'm Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting, stories and examples to help you to manifest everything you desire. So have you heard manifesting videos or teachers say be it? Just be it to manifest your desires. To me, that just means be it, as in being in the knowing that you will have your desire and that it will happen. If you decide on a desire, say you want it, and as you say you want it, at the same time focus on the having of it. It with you, next to you, you doing it or experiencing it. That's the focus on the having of it as you say it. So if you did that, then felt, because that you just did that your desire will happen, and you'll have it, then that is being it. Your being in the knowing or state of being of having it, will have it. And that state is a state of being that manifests it. So feeling you will have it and that it will happen is the secret. Finding a way to convince yourself your desire will happen and completely believe that your desire will happen is then being it. You are being in the state of being of feeling like you will have it. And so it almost feels like you have it right now. There's no bad thoughts about it then. No afterthoughts. Just, this is what I want. I said I want it, and I focused on me with it as I said it. So that's all I have to do. Now it'll happen. Then live on as normal, with that knowing it is going to come, internal state. Then it manifests fast and easy. When you be it, you aren't worried about it, looking intensely for it. You feel you already have it. You feel you will have it soon, so you're content, good, secure, emotionally stable. Being it means you aren't asking how will it come, when, where, doubt or struggle. Being it is stepping into the assumption that you have it now and will have it soon. You chose what you want to have next, so since you did, you know you'll have it. A way will be made, formed, and created for you to get it that feels normal and natural as it's happening. You can internally let to it or it to you. So be it means be in the state of having it, and that is how you do that. You could also observe a person who already is or has what you desire, and be it that way. Like I can observe a rich person and act like I'm rich, or I can observe a good girlfriend in a relationship, and be one for those I date. I'm being a good girlfriend. Or I can observe a confident, outgoing person if I'm shy, and step into that role and act as they do. But at the core, you are just always doing those same three things. Deciding what you want, saying what you want, and seeing yourself as having it. Will have it. Will happen. Then it does happen and manifests. But also see how then being it in those type of ways means convinced you'll have it? So you're sort of acting as if it's true, and will be true. Be it thoughts and energy is like, yeah, I'll have that. Of course my girlfriend loves me and wants me. Of course I'll get that job. At the core, it's having it energy. Since the core, or secret to manifesting, is feeling you have it or will have it as you say it and focus on a desire that you want, then you can see how that works to manifest it. See my video called 3 Steps to Manifest Anything. By doing the 3 steps, you automatically are then being it. Because you are in the convinced state of being, of thinking, feeling, and knowing, because I did the 3 steps, I'll get my desire, and it will happen. And then it does. Use this assumption in your favor to get what you want. Assume that is true for you, that I can just say what I want and get it. By doing that, you are being it, being in the state of having it. That's my video for today. Thanks for watching.